Scientists are still trying to figure out how bird flu is spreading throughout farms in the United States. This week, a second human case of the virus was confirmed in Michigan. So far, at least one pattern is clear. Poultry and cows risk exposure to the virus from sick wild birds migrating across the Americas. Here's a closer look. Almost 200 wild bird species carrying bird flu have been recorded by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Mallard ducks top the list with the most recorded infections. They're more resistant to the virus, allowing them to carry it far distances, and their migration patterns offer a glimpse into the relationship between wild birds and livestock. Mallards spend their winters across the U.S. and then begin to migrate north for the breeding season. But along the way, they tend to make pit stops at chicken farms. Retention ponds and even pools of water in big tire ruts provide habitat for the birds, and spilled grain near animal feed provide food, while ledges and overhangs can provide areas to build nests. They make themselves at home here, all the while spreading the virus through their saliva and feces. Workers walking in or near contaminated water can then transfer the virus from one place to another. Most bird flu transmissions to livestock happen indirectly, according to the USDA, usually from boots or equipment that have been contaminated. By July, the birds fly back to cooler landscapes that may contain viruses from the previous season. That means the birds could contract multiple virus variants, which could undergo genetic changes and infect new species. In the fall, viruses are traveling along bird migration routes or flyways, transferring from one wild bird to another. And once winter returns, ducks make their way back south, flying over farms once again, possibly with new viral variants. The USDA says the key to prevention is to limit water and food that birds are attracted to at farms. Scientists are still trying to understand which variants are circulating through cows to determine how the virus is spreading. It has long been on the list of viruses with pandemic potential. And though the CDC says it has not seen evidence of human-to-human transmission, any expansion to a new mammal species is concerning.